In this video, we are going to see that if we want to fix a date or a time to a specific time period or to a specific date, and it should not change automatically in Windows 10, here's how you can simply do it. First of all, the method one is you can turn off the automated time sync. Just click on the start settings, right here settings, hit enter. Here you have the option of time and language. Just go ahead and click on that. And if the set time is set to automatic, just turn this off, toggle this off, and also do it for set time zone automatically. If it is turned on, just turn this off. Now you can click change under the set time and date manually. You can select a specific date and now it will not change. Let's switch it to a specific date. And after this, the Windows will not change the time on its own. The second method is you can disable the time service from the services. So what you can do is just press Windows R on your keyboard and type here services.msc, hit enter. It will open up all the services. You can find Windows time here. Now, how will we find that specific function? It is very easy to find because all of this is alphabetically arranged. So just press on any one of them and write W on your keyboard. It will bring you to W option. We have to find Windows time here. So here is Windows time. Just double click on it and make sure it is set to disabled. Startup type should be disabled. Apply and OK. So basically this stops Windows from syncing the internet time servers automatically and make the clock or date stay fixed at a certain date or time. The third method is you can also do it from the CMD. So in the start menu right here, CMD, right click, run as administrator. If it asks you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. And here we will write a few commands. Let me just show it. First of all, we will write NET space stop space W32 time, hit enter. So it says it is not already started. So that is perfect. And just write here SC space config space W32 time space start equals to disabled, hit enter, and it is successful. Now guys, you will get both of these commands with the description of this video. So these are some of the important steps that you can use to fix or freeze a date and time on a specific point in Windows 10 or Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.